Hi, I'm Alan Johnston with Continental Power Corporation, and I'm here to tell you about the PowerwoRx E3, the whole house energy management system. PowerwoRx E3 provides three key benefits: equipment protection, electrical noise filtration, and energy savings. The first technology is the industry's best whole home surge protection. PowerwoRx E3 utilizes what are called MOVs, or metal oxide varistors. These are the most effective form of surge protection on the market. MOVs act as a very fast switch which turns on whenever an unsafe voltage enters the home. These protect all electronics on the system from damage caused by catastrophic surges, as well as the very small day-to-day surges that degrade electronics and motors over time. The second technology is electrical noise filtration. Many electronics in our homes are what electrical engineers would call nonlinear loads, meaning that they don't use energy smoothly. Imagine for a moment driving your car with the accelerator either all the way on or all the way off. Think of the jerking that would be caused by that to your passengers as well as the other cars around you. That is essentially what nonlinear loads are doing to your electrical system and everything connected to it. PowerwoRx E3 contains electrical noise filters which are able to smooth out the power so that everything runs better. The third technology is power factor correction. Electrical motors found throughout the home are called inductive loads. These are from very small inductive loads like the fan in your computer to very large ones like the compressor in your HVAC system. Electrical motors use electricity to magnetize the windings in the motor. But here's the deal. Much of that energy is never consumed. Electricity flows in, it creates the magnetic field, and then it flows out as waste. What's really fascinating about the PowerwoRx E3 is it contains capacitors that capture that energy. To reduce waste, as much as 30% of the energy can be captured and fed back in. Now that doesn't amount to a 30% reduction on the electric bill, but there are definitely financial savings to be seen. Surge protection, noise filtration, and power factor correction. They've all been around for a long time and they're available on their own, but it wasn't until the PowerwoRx E3 was developed that these three technologies were assembled in a way that allows them to work synergistically to provide these amazing benefits. And it provides for a long product life of the PowerwoRx itself. PowerwoRx E3 is needed in every home. Every home with electronics needs surge protection and noise filtration. Every home with electrical motors can benefit from power factor correction. Homes which have generators or alternate energy sources such as solar and wind energy benefit from both power conditioning and reducing current, allowing them to support more electrical devices than they otherwise would. High-end televisions and computers can also last longer due to the protection provided by the PowerwoRx E3. The quality of PowerwoRx is second to none. PowerwoRx E3 is made entirely in the United States and assembled in Nashville, Tennessee by a manufacturing facility that builds million-dollar systems for companies like Intel and Mitsubishi. The design is constantly updated and improved. Each PowerwoRx E3 comes with an unparalleled 10-year warranty. The only condition is that installation is performed by a qualified electrician. Anything that happens to your PowerwoRx E3 for 10 years will be covered, which means a lot, since PowerwoRx is designed to sacrifice itself to protect your valuable electronics in the event of a catastrophic surge. If for some reason PowerwoRx is unable to stop a surge from reaching your devices, you are still protected with a backup insurance policy of $25,000 to replace anything that is damaged from a surge that comes through the electrical panel. Equipment protection, electrical noise filtration, energy savings. There is no reason why anyone shouldn't have PowerwoRx E3, whole house energy management system in their home.